Greetings, everyone. It's AlgoTrade, the best free binary option signal bot. Use our promo code to receive 50% bonus to the first deposit and trade with our bot to make money. You can find that all in description. We are starting new challenge, from $100 to $10K. We want to tell that it isn't so difficult. We will use our ultimate strategy. Okay, first signal is put. We must enter a trade with 33% of our deposit. First signal is correct, we made plus $32. Second signal is call. We must enter with 33% of our deposit to have opportunity to double it, if trade goes another way. Chance of giving two incorrect signals in a row is about 0.16%. 1 of 1,000 trades it will give bad result. Second signal is correct, we made plus $40. We want to make more videos with this challenge, so it will the last signal in video. Last signal is call. So we want to show that isn't so difficult to make money in pocket option, so we want trade with this account not in the video to give real picture of it. Last signal is correct. We made up to 2.2x to our deposit. See you next week.